To find the side length little a, we label the sides of the triangle. The hypotenuse is 8 and the adjacent side length is little a. Since we have a and h, we're using cos. The cos of 55 degrees is a on h. The adjacent side is the side length little a, the hypotenuse is 8. Since the pronumeral is on the right hand side and we want it on the left, just swap sides. So a on 8 equals cos of 55 degrees. To get rid of dividing by 8 on the left, we multiply both sides by 8. So we have a is 8 cos 55 degrees. We don't need a multiplication sign between the 8 and the cos. On the calculator, that gives us 4.59. This time we want to find the side length b, which is opposite the angle 55 degrees. Label the side lengths that we have. So we have the hypotenuse is 8 and the opposite side is b. Since we've got O and H, we've got sine. Sine of 55 degrees is O on H, which is little b on 8. Since b is on the right, we'll swap sides to put it on the left. So b on 8 is sine 55 degrees. To get rid of dividing by 8, we will multiply by 8 on both sides. So b equals 8 times the sine of 55 degrees. On the calculator, that's 6.55. To find the side length b, we begin by marking the sides of the triangle. Next to the angle, the adjacent side length is 5, and opposite the angle is the side length little b. So we have a and o, so we have tan. Tan of 55 degrees equals o on a, o is little b, and the adjacent side length is 5. Put the pronumeral on the left by swapping sides. To get rid of dividing by 5, multiply both sides by 5. So b equals 5 times the tan of 55 degrees. On the calculator, that's equal to 7.14. To find the side length m, we mark the sides. The hypotenuse is m, and the side next to the angle is the adjacent angle, which is 9. Since we have a and h, we have cos. So the cos of 40 degrees equals a on h, which is 9 on m. To get rid of the division by m, we multiply both sides by m. This becomes m cos 40 degrees, which is equal to 9. To get rid of the cos 40 from the left-hand side, we have to divide both sides by cos 40. So now we have m equals 9 over cos 40. On a calculator, that's equal to 11.75. To find the side length n, we mark in the sides. H is n, and the side opposite the angle is 7. Since we have O and H, we're using sine. The sine of 40 degrees equals O on H, which equals 7 on n. To get rid of division by n, we multiply both sides by n. So we have n sine 40 equals 7. To get rid of the sine 40 from the left, we divide both sides by sine 40 degrees. So we have n equals 7 divided by the sine of 40 degrees. On a calculator, that's 10.89. To find the side length P, we mark in the side lengths. Opposite the angle is 5 and adjacent the angle is P. Since we're using O and A, we're using tan. Tan of 40 degrees is O on A, where O was 5 and A was P. To get rid of division by P, we multiply both sides by P. So we have P tan of 40 degrees equals 5. To get rid of tan of 40 degrees on the left, we have to divide both sides by tan of 40 degrees. So now we have P equals 5 divided by the tan of 40 degrees. On a calculator, that's equal to 5.96.